So I had a deep plane facelift, lower blepharoplasty and full face laser.
So, how are you feeling before your surgery?
A little bit nervous, and a little bit concerned, you know, about kind of what will I look like after the surgery, but I'll be fine.
Just to make sure it's like comfortable afterwards, and that one thing has resulted in a bruise. But most bruising goes over 2 weeks, and sometimes you can have like a really kind of dark bruise, and that takes longer. But not most people. It's so hard to promise you these things because it's so variable.
Having the procedure because I want to look a little fresher, work incredibly hard, and want to continue to be able to kind of look in the mirror and feel happy with the reflection I see. With your face, it's really important that you get the right surgeon, that you're able to establish a rapport with that surgeon. Julian's very approachable, easy to talk to, and I think that, again, that's all about the confidence building, isn't it?
The children asked me about the starter pack. Right? But he still was cheating.
So the morning of the surgery, come in very early, so time to get out of bed early, get to the clinic. We did some facial markings, we had a last conversation about the procedure. I woke up from surgery having had twilight sedation, which was great because you don't have that kind of grogginess post-operatively. I had a visit from Julian who kind of checked things out and made sure that I was comfortable. The staff were amazing, one-to-one care. Anything that you needed, just some support, which is really important. You look at the CV and the history and the feedback on the surgeon, but also the fact that Julian De Silva only does facial work was probably the piece that was the ultimate decision for me. It's fair to say that the first week it's tricky, and it's really important that you absolutely follow the advice you're given from Dr. De Silva just in terms of rest. Probably the most tricky thing for me was kind of the laser, so I had full facial laser. But actually, as long as you again follow the advice, then you manage your own kind of discomfort, and that's what I did. I've had amazing support from my family, which for me was really important. Interestingly, nobody at work has said anything about that something has changed. My family are really clear that they can see a change, certainly around my neck, which was the part that really encouraged me to have the procedure. Nobody has said, I can see you've had a procedure, so maybe that's because it's such a natural outcome. It's nice to be able to look in the mirror and see the difference I wanted to see. I didn't want to look 20 or 30 years younger. I wanted to look naturally more pleasing when I was applying makeup, etc. And that's what I've achieved. Ultimately, feel that you've kind of got the control, but you're working alongside an excellent surgeon, and that's the choices I made. And do it, but do it with the right reasons and with the right surgeon.